Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Woodworking programs can lead to professional certificates or undergraduate degrees, and prospective students can choose between basic and advanced skills programs. They are most commonly offered by community and technical colleges.
Take our lead.
Many people enjoy woodworking as a hobby but do not know they can make a legitimate career out of it. As a professional woodworker, it is your job to make a variety of products such as furniture, cabinets, and other structures for businesses or homes. These products are made out of wood, veneers, and laminates.
Let's help you make your mark.
An apprenticeship is the most common path and takes between 3 and 4 years to complete. Diploma and certificate programs offered by technical and vocational schools generally last 1 or 2 years. There is nothing hard about learning carpentry. In most cases it just takes common sense to conquer carpentry.
Let's help you make your mark.
The median annual wage for woodworkers was $33,750 in May 2020. The median wage is the wage at which half the workers in an occupation earned more than that amount and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than $23,210, and the highest 10% earned more than $51,520.
Take our lead.
High school graduates may advance to apprenticeship, vocational, or technical programs. Generally, training to become a skilled carpenter requires 3 to 4 years of on-the-job instruction and formal education, either in person or through online carpenter school.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.